Hello, my name is Anton Voronyuk. In this course, I'll guide you through mastering the SendPulse online course platform so you can use it confidently and effectively for learning and development. The SendPulse course platform provides all the necessary tools to create, promote, and manage online courses. You can create your own academy, add courses with the required learning materials, invite instructors, set up communication with students, and automate your interactions with them. Let's start by taking a closer look at how the learning process in this course works. This is your student account. Here you can take courses, ask instructors questions, and receive certificates, etc. To set up your account, click Edit Profile. Upload a profile picture, add your name, surname, and phone number. If you wish, you can also choose your time zone, date, and time format language and change your password. Note that the selected language affects the interface of the student account and the language of the course completion certificate. In the Mobile App for Students section, you'll find a link to download the app so you can study using your phone. Don't forget to check your notifications in the Notifications tab so you don't miss important updates from your instructor or system alerts about your course progress. In the Courses tab, you'll see the courses you are currently enrolled in or have been invited to. When you open a course, you'll find its structure on the left side: sections, lessons, and tests. Click the first lesson to start learning. Each lesson includes learning materials in video format. If a lesson doesn't include homework, watch the lectures, review the materials, and then check the Mark as Completed box to move forward. Once done, click the forward arrow to proceed to the next lesson. You can ask questions for each lesson while studying. Click the Ask Question icon in the top right corner. You can view the instructor's answers in the Questions tab. Some courses include tests. To answer test questions, select your answer and click Next. After finishing the test, you can view your score. To find your certificate of course completion, open the course and go to the results page. In the certificate section, hover over your certificate and select one of the options: change name, print, or download. You can also download your certificates later from the certificates gallery. That's how your student account looks. Welcome to the course.